I didn't like how one of the hinges looked and how it was mounted, so I unscrewed it. Found that the balsa underneath was a little wet, had turned black. So now I go through the process of cutting open, see how bad it is, and re-fiberglassing. Started by doing some test bores under the hinge so that when I fiberglass it won't be seen. I'm hoping to just make a few more holes, get in there, dig out whatever is bad, and throw in some fiberglass cloth and resin, get it all leveled off, re-drill, and put it back together. The preferred tool of destruction. Quick trip to the hardware store. An Allen wrench on the end of a drill, and hopefully we'll get most of this out. Hit nice, dry, solid balsa. So now I'll get the vacuum, the shop vac, clean it out, and start laying in some glass. Cut up some fiberglass cloth, shoved it in there, mixed up some 2-part epoxy resin. We'll let that harden. Probably have to do another coat after this to level it off. I'll use some thickener in the next coat, thickened epoxy. Then I'll be able to screw the drill and screw it back together. As you can see, it's all going to be covered up. It's all back together. You cannot see where I fiberglassed. Now I'll just go in and scrub the deck, use a little compound and some wax, and make sure that I also compound and wax the stainless steel, and it will look better than it did before. And I will know that the deck is solid underneath of it. Now I have to start doing that all around the boat.